guys, hello. I'm just getting ready for work and I thought I would quickly come on and do a video all about weight loss, and I've got 8 top tips for how I lost weight and how I think it could help you. So let's just get into it. So my number 1 top tip is breakfast. So make sure that you have breakfast every day. I know that a lot of people don't like breakfast. They can't eat when they get up, they feel sick or whatever, but I think it's really important because as soon as you have that first meal, your body starts, your whole metabolism starts and you start burning energy and calories and blah 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 blah. So breakfast. Number 2 is cooking. Learn to cook. Stop buying easy processed packeted stuff. Spag bol is a good example. Try and make your own with passata and chopped tomatoes. Put your own spices and own seasoning in. Using whatever you want, your meatballs, your corn, your mince, your meat free, your vegetables. I don't care how you make it, but spag bol sauce is spag bol sauce. So try and incorporate that in every cook. Make your own food, make your own dinners. Don't be buying packeted things. Even the simplest thing is a sandwich. Make your own sandwich, because these ones from supermarkets are full of fats and salts and sugars that people have added in to make them nicer, but you can make a lovely sandwich at home. So cook. The third thing is to try new foods. So a lot of us are creatures of, we don't like change. So, you know, we go to the same restaurants, we order the same food, we like the same things, we buy the same products, whatever. But just try something new. If you see something on the shelf and you think, oh, get it and try it. If somebody else is eating something and you think it looks quite pretty, have a try. Learn to try new foods. So if you're doing like a Slimming World or anything, that's great, because I know that they do like taste tests and stuff. But yeah, definitely try new foods and stop, like, come out of your comfort zone a little bit, and you'll be pleasantly shocked and surprised. So number 4 is exercise. I'm not talking about going out and running a marathon tomorrow, or you don't have to go and join a gym membership or get a personal trainer or nothing like that. I'm just talking about get a little bit more fit, get a little bit more active. So instead of jumping in the car and going to the supermarket, if you're only picking up a few things, could you walk? Could you walk there and walk back? Or if you don't have a car like me and you get the bus and things, could you get off a stop before and just walk a little bit extra? Or, you know, take the dog for a walk, or, you know, maybe start jogging, or, you know, start dancing. I don't really care. Just move more, basically. Get that heart pumping a little bit more each day and try and improve every week a little bit more. So if, say you're starting to jog or run, and you can only manage 5 minutes, that's fine, because next time you might be able to do 8 and then 10, and before you know it, you might be running for hours and hours. You might be able to do that marathon, that Great North Run, that whatever, but you have to start somewhere. Now, the easiest form of exercise I would probably promote would be swimming. I don't really go swimming. I love swimming, but it's that conscious, you know, confident, be that, blah, blah, blah. So I love swimming, and it doesn't hurt you, and it's really, really fun. And if you can go swimming, I would advise swimming. Go swimming. Next one is water. Yeah, drink water all the time, whenever you can. Just guzzle. Because sometimes when your body is saying, Abby, I'm starving, I'm hungry, it can actually be dehydration. So if you take yourself away from food and have a drink, sometimes that can actually make you feel better, like you weren't actually hungry, you just needed a drink. And also it's really good, it obviously keeps your body hydrated. It's really good for all your organs. So yeah, try and stay away from like fizzy drinks and squash and stuff all the time, and add in some more water. Definitely water's probably one of the main things, and that's not even with healthy weight loss, so that's just being healthy in general. Lots and lots of water. The next one I've wrote down is labels, and I mean food labels. So reading food labels and learning the traffic light system. I don't know what it's like in America, but in supermarkets in the UK will have like a traffic light system. So on the bottom of food products, it'll have either, if it's like red, meaning like it's high, amber meaning it's medium, and like green meaning like it's really low, meaning like it's really low in fat if it's green, or it's really high in sugar if it's red. And try and buy the products that are either all greens or mostly greens, and try and stop buying them reds. Just little changes like that, it'll be amazing for the results you'll see in your weight loss. And it's the same when you buy a product, pick it up, and if there's two yogurts that are similar, pick them up and read the back. If it's got less saturated fat and sugar, get that one. Little changes over time, and it's the same with rices and pastas and stuff. Try and get brown over white. Same with bread. Try and get brown or wholemeal bread rather than white stodgy bread. Obviously, if you don't like it, then there's nothing I can do. But like butter, Lurpak and stuff out there, like full of fat. So try and either go for like a lower calorie version of that product, or alternatively get an olive spread or the coconuts. And my second last one would be alcohol. We all like a drink, but it's really bad for you. No, alcohol. I cut out alcohol, or cut down. I didn't cut out because I still drink. And I used to, when I was really into me weight loss, I still drank. But I changed what I drank. I drank a lot less. I didn't go partying crazy anymore, because I'll tell you why. It's not just what you drink that's the problem. It's you go out for drinks, and then I would go to the takeaway shop at the end of the night and buy, I don't know, chips or a pizza or something. And then you would wake up the next day, you would feel crap. So you would have like a full English breakfast, or you would have sweets and chocolate and pop, and because you were feeling a bit ill, you had a bit of a hangover, a headache. Then later on that night, you couldn't be asked to cook. So what did you have? Another takeaway or something else that was convenient, and you throw in the oven. So that one night kind of ruined my whole week, because I was like good Monday to Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday it was just like thousands of calories of food, loads of pop, no exercise. So I chose to cut it out, and it really did make a difference. So that would be quite a good tip for you if you do like to go out a lot and you have really bad hangovers like I do. Try and limit the amount of alcohol that you have, and kind of stay away from the alcohol pops in the like what they're called fruit ciders, because they're really sugar. They're just pure sugar, like really high in sugar. And beers make you bloating, you know. But my last thing, my final top tip, which is probably the most important tip of every single one of them, and it is plan. Plan. Woo. Plan the food, plan your shopping, plan where you're going, plan your exercise, plan whatever. But if you are at work, say Monday to Friday, and you need obviously breakfast, lunch and dinner or tea, whatever you call it, you need to be preparing food for those days, and you need to know what you are having. A food diary, a piece of paper on the fridge, I don't really care. But you need to buy products, buy food for the meals that you're making, so that everybody knows what they're having, and that you don't have to stress. So it doesn't come to 5 o'clock, you're exhausted, and you're like, what am I going to have for tea? Great. And then it gets to 6 o'clock, and then you're like, right, we'll get the Chinese takeaway. Because you'll have already planned it, or you'll already have it in the slow cooker, or you'll already have had half of it cooked, or you cooked it the night before and you just have to reheat it. I don't know. But you'll have already planned it. So planning's really important. This diary I bought for planning my vegan life, but you can use it for, it's just for food, it's just a food diary, so I'm just going to use it for planning meals for being vegan, so I don't stress out. And when I first started my weight loss, that's exactly what I done. I planned everything. I planned every shopping list, I planned everything. So it's really important to plan every meal, know what you're having, and get your shopping, and only buy what you need. You don't need to go berserk and buy every fruit and vegetable there, because half it's going to go off in anyway. So yeah, planning is number one. Well, thank you for watching, guys. That was my 8 top tips for weight loss. They helped me, and I'm sure that if they can help me, actually, they can help anybody. So I lost 6 stone following those daily tips every day, and I've got another target to lose 2 more stone, and I'll continue using those tips, and hopefully I'll lose me 2 stone, and I'll let you know how it goes. So thank you for watching. Good luck on your weight loss. Bye. Bye.